QuickLide is hands down the most consistent film on the market. I'm at DTF Station headquarters, where I'm going to show you that we're not importers, we're manufacturers. You will not want to miss this. So check it out. All right, so even before I can show you where it's produced, I actually have to get suited up because we take every precaution here. There's a no dust zone in there. This is what makes the difference between Color Prime QuickLide and other DTF films. So let me get suited. All right, so it feels like I'm going into a rocket ship. I'm gonna go in this room here and get blasted by air, so all the dust will come off me. If you're a film manufacturer not doing this, why are you using it? All right, so the first thing I'm gonna notice when I'm walking into this room is that it is spotless, it is clean. That is a huge difference when it comes to consistency, that your factory needs to be clean, no debris. This has the biggest effect when it comes to your DTF film, it's the cleanliness. So let's go check out the machines. All right, I can't give you all the secrets of the equipment that we're using today. What I will tell you is that there's not very many employees there because the whole system is automated. We actually have AI that'll read the material thickness from the raw materials to the finished product. No other company is using that. It takes human error completely out of the equation, and this is just one part of the filmmaking. All right, so I have another big piece of equipment here that I can't show you, but one thing about this machine is that it runs 24/7. That means we're getting consistent film results and there's no downtime. If there is a bad batch, our AI detects it, gets it out of there, and it starts again. Let's keep going. All right, because of these high standards that we have with our manufacturing, our QuickLide film has 5 layers. The industry standard is 2. We've seen some films have 3 or 4, but it's vibrant transfers, it's perfect peel every time, and it's happy customers. That's what this is all about. All right, behind me is the machine that takes our finished product and it cuts it and it packages it. We can do about a roll in a minute. Now I'm told we're actually gonna automate this process pretty soon, so even more production. Now, if your DTF film manufacturer is not taking all these precautions, what are you doing? We're not importers, we're manufacturers. Make sure you're using Color Prime QuickLide, and thank you guys so much for following me around on this tour. All right, time to get out of these clothes. Thank you guys so much for watching.